by the given data, find out aircraft is stable or not. Okay, at any particular situation, suppose data is given, alpha wing is given 5 degree, I wing is given minus 3 degree. Minus 3 degree, you understand? Now then, suppose at that time your downwash angle was given as 2 degree. Just random data I am taking to give you physical feel. And I tail, suppose I tail is given as plus 3 degree. Okay, then situation gust is hitting the aircraft to the nose in upward direction. So for this situation, this data they have simulated, and they want to find out your aircraft is stable or not. Okay, so what will you do? Very easy question, and just with the help of the concept of alpha tail you can check out. Very easy question.